I will try to suppress crime. I could not promise you heaven. I will try to stop drugs. And if President, I said, in 3 to 6 months, I will stop corruption in government.
Gumising ka, ayusin ang bayan. Tayo'y magkaisa, Pilipinas sa kaunlaran. Magbayanihan, panyero, walang iwanan. Sigang sambayanan, higong para sa kapayapaan.
I will do it just like what I did to the road.